Blood and water cannot flow together. This was given by Prime Minister Modi, and recently we have seen India has shown the intention to modify the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan and gave 90 days to clarify all their concern over hydropower project and the Indus Water Treaty. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is Indus Water Treaty. Friends, if I talk about this treaty, firstly, then it was signed in 1960 in Karachi with the help of World Bank between India and Pakistan. And according to this treaty, the distribution of water has been settled between both the country. The three eastern river, Beas, Satluj and Ravi, the control of these river was given to India, and three western river, Jhelum, uh, Indus, as well as Chenab, was given to Pakistan. If I talk about the significance of this treaty, then it is the one of the successful treaty in the world. As we have seen the three major war between India and Pakistan, but this treaty has never broken by India, and it was the generosity of India that this treaty has been survived for 62 years. Friends, if I talk about the why this agreement has been survived, then the main reason is India's generosity, that has India shows to the world, to the Pakistan, that India have never broken this treaty. And another reason is India's credibility, that world will think that India has disrespect to this treaty, so India have continued this. Also, the main one more reason is like 80% of the agriculture of Pakistan is dependence on this treaty. And if India will broke, their elite people, their elite politicians will never affect. Only the people of Pakistan, the innocent people, will affect from this agreement broken. If I talk about like how and why India is thinking to modify this treaty, then the main reason is in Pakistan unwanted unnecessary cry over the hydropower project of India that has been built in Jammu and Kashmir, and also Pakistan goes to World Bank with that is Pakistan unilateral decision, and India has protested against this. Friends, if I talk about why India should rethink on this treaty, then as we have seen, there is cross-border terrorism happened from the Pakistan side, and also there is a unusual generosity by India. Like both countries have faced three major war, but it has never stopped the treaty. Friends, if I talk about my conclusion and the way forward, then India has acted always as a big brother and shows the generosity for the people of Pakistan and never stopped the agreement. But in recent time, Pakistan has shown unwanted, unnecessary cry over these issues, over this hydropower project of Kishan Ganga and other in Jammu and Kashmir, and gone in the international court, The Hague, and it was the unilateral decision. So India should rethink over this negotiation and agreement, because Pakistani unwanted cross-border terrorism action have done in recent years, we have seen. So one decision should be taken from the India, and that will teach the lesson to Pakistan. Thank you.